Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 50 of the coolest, latest Amazon gadgets you need to see. From game-changing tech to mind-blowing innovations, stick around till the end. You won't want to miss the top picks. Comment on your favorite gadget for a chance to win it. Subscribe because I'm bringing you the very best Amazon has to offer. Developed on GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the Plod app and web offer fast and accurate transcriptions in 112 languages, generate summaries, mind maps, and to-do lists, enhancing your productivity. Plod NotePen is the world's most wearable AI voice recorder with 4 wearing modes: magnetic pin attached to the NotePen body, necklace, wristband, and clip. Plod NotePen gives you the power of AI note-taking in a wearable, versatile, hands-free, on-the-go solution. Plod NotePen is ultra-compact, weighing just 0.59 ounces. The 270 milliamp-hour battery ensures 20 hours of continuous recording, a simple one-press operation to start or stop recording, ergonomic and adjustable design, fight text neck, and improve your posture with licensed taller, photogenic phone stand. Designed for comfort, it offers an adjustable height, 7.1 inches to 8.5 inches, 1.4 inches adjustable range, and angle, 5 degrees to 85 degrees. Best phone holder for video recording without blocking subtitles. Perfect for office desk TikTok, FaceTime, Zoom video. This is the ultimate kitchen desk essential for phones. Smallest HD projector. Elephas Mini Projector is designed with 2024 new upgraded technology comparable to the size of a smartphone. You can easily hold it in your hand. This HD projector compatible with the iOS Android Windows. Projector with tripod. The portable projector includes a mini stand, portable power station support. Enjoy your leisure life anytime. It is very convenient to use the projector indoors or outdoors. The desk fan with upgraded DC motor generates airflow up to 16 feet per second. 5 premium fan blades produce broader and more balanced airflow as comfort as mountain stream breeze, keeping you calm and cool during steep summers. As compact as a tablet, this real space-saving desk fan can be placed on the office desk or bedroom nightstand with utmost ease to save limited space. Slim and stylish, this small USB fan will embellish your space to the next level. Unique dumpster fire desk caddy with over 100 flame note cards and compartments for pens. Durable engineered wood construction in a clever cube shape for easy assembly. Fun gag gift for friends, family, co-workers, and new hires. Painted finish available in assorted colors like red, yellow, blue, and more. Perfect humorous desk accessory to hold office supplies and make you smile. 20-ounce size, perfect for carrying and warming meals while you're on the go. Modern vintage aesthetic in an elegant moonshine green hue, features a tight closing outer lid to help prevent spills, equipped with an easy carry handle and detachable cord. Effortless cleaning, removable inner container and lid are dishwasher safe. Makes an exquisite gift for busy professionals, students, travelers, or anyone who loves warm meals. Known, trusted, and reliable crock-pot brand quality. These clear, versatile drawer dividers trays are perfect for any place in your home. Fit all kinds of drawers, such as vanity, bathroom, kitchen, office drawers, craft room, ideal for organizing cosmetics, makeup tools, hair accessories, jewelry, pins, office supply, craft supplies, utensils, etc. Extra 100 pieces silicone pads are included. Just stick them on the bottom of the plastic trays for non-slip. The stainless steel retains heat more effectively than other mugs, making it the perfect pairing to the coffee warmer. All temperature readings are accurate within 1 degree. You can also easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Enjoy the stainless steel coffee warmer's reliable performance with one-touch controls, waterproof design, and a PI film heating element, compatible with AC 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz outlets equipped with a high-tech PI film heating element. The spill-proof design avoids damage and makes cleaning a breeze. Pain relief and support for back, hip, legs, knees, and feet. If you are working or sitting at a desk most hours of the day, you are bound to feel the effects on your body after prolonged periods of time. Comfy Life Under Desk Footrest will help reduce back and sciatica pain by easing pressure on your lower back and hips. Our footrest will also ensure proper foot placement while sitting, which will help improve blood circulation to the legs and ease pain over time. Amazingly beneficial to your foot health. Optimize your view in a wide range of motion. No more bother rotating the angle by adjusting the screw. The gas elastic system desk arm makes it adjust with such smooth action. The monitor stand allows your monitor to swivel, tilt, and rotate. Go and freely set your monitors to customized angle and position. This fidget slider is full made of stainless steel with a metallic luster. Solidly built and finish quality are pretty good. When sliding it back and forth, there will be a crisp metal sound. This pleasant click can help you effectively relieve anxiety tension, is a good helper to reduce stress. Everyone who sees it will want to turn it on and off for themselves. This beautiful wooden box sign is composed of exquisite patterns and interesting language. Generous and beautiful, the combination of funny images makes this wooden box sign more distinctive, which brings good visual enjoyment. Applicable occasions. This wooden box sign is not only stand freely on the desk fixtures counter or tables, but can be hung on the wall. It is an ideal desk or wall decor, decorative accessory for home, office, workshop, library, farmhouse, laundry room, living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, bathroom, coffee bars, garages, and more. The laptop desk is 16.54 by 11.81 by 3.35 inches in size and can fit laptops up to 15.6 inches. There is enough surface space for a mouse only when used with laptops that are 14 inches in size or smaller. This lap desk features an anti-slip wrist pad, storage pocket, and tablet holder for maximum convenience. Our laptop lap desk is built with a sturdy platform and cushioned pillow that conforms to your lap to provide more comfort and stability. Designed with a brown wood grain platform and gray fabric covered foam pad that gives the lap desk a modern and appealing look. Radier Ultra Thin Mouse Mover is only 17.3 millimeters thick and 105 grams net weight. The ultra slim design of our mouse jiggler takes up minimal space on your desk, making it a hassle-free addition to your workspace. And thanks to the ultra slim and lightweight design, it's very easy and portable to carry it out with you on the go. Our device is designed to simulate the realistic random mouse movement, just like you're using the mouse in person, allowing your system to remain active and preventing it from going into sleep mode or locking up. DreamSky large wooden alarm clock displays time, date, and day of week, temperature on large display which is easy to see from distance. This minimalist wooden digital clock is definitely a decent gift for anyone in view of its beautiful, futuristic looking, which is good for bedroom decor, bedside table, or office desk. The wood clock is also very easy to set up and use. With Auto DST, the wood desk clock will automatically adjust to daylight saving time, no resetting hassle. Developed with Levitation technology, the speaker is floating and spinning in the air. The speaker can continuously play music up to 10 hours. The levitating Bluetooth speaker is an amazing gift for family, friends, kids for Christmas, birthday, party, Father's Day, gifts for science fiction fans. The floating speaker can impress your friends and family as a cool tech decor for room, office. Enjoy your crystal clear music with Bluetooth 5.1 technology. Powerful suction. Jimmy BX5 Pro Vacuum Cleaner has 500 watts power and 15 kilopascal suction. Can easily pick up dust and pet hair deeply in the mattress, bed, sofa, crib, carpet, and other fabric. 99% anti, equipped with UVC light and ultrasonic tech, this mattress vacuum can remove 99% all kinds of and protect your family's skin health. The upholstery vacuum cleaner receives the quality seal from Allergy UK. Strong and high frequency. Tapping Jimmy BX5 Pro Mattress Cleaner uses a patented composite rubber roller brush with a built-in independent motor to bring strong, high-frequency tapping power. Featuring 16 AC sockets, 2 USB-C ports, and 3 USB ports, this power strip can charge up to 21 devices simultaneously. 16 AC outlets afford 1,875 watts per 125 volts, approximately 3,600 watts per 240 volts power. 3 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports deliver 17 watts per 3.4 amps power for multiple electronics, such as phones, headphones, computers, and more. The all-in-one multifunctional charging tower occupies minimal vertical space, helping to keep your home or office organized and clutter-free. Equipped with 10 amp overload protection, a built-in short-circuit fuse, and lightning protection, this power strip ensures a stable and secure power supply, protecting your devices from surges and overloads. Nice photo prop, suitable for cool and vintage in style. It will be more beautiful and eye-catching if you fill the bottle with colored water or put some cobbles, flowers, plants, or a little fish, and create a unique decor statement. Perfect combination of natural wood and clear glass. Frame is made of sturdy and robust nature wood. 3 bulb terrariums are made of high boron, silicon heat-resistant glass. Thick and durable to withstand the pass of time. Elevate your home office decor and bring a touch of freshness and elegance to your house and office. Multifunctional charging station and organizer. Charge your cell phone and keep your daily use things at hand. Please note, the accessories shown in the pictures are not included. This stand is made of solid wood and covered with non-toxic protective finishing. Please note that wood has a very beautiful, unique structure. Therefore, the color of the item you bought may be slightly different from the samples on the photo. For making these stands, we use only the best high-quality solid wood. The surface is smoothly polished and covered with durable finishing, perfectly fits into any interior. Both classical and modern, breathable fabric ear cups keep your ears cool during long play sessions. And the comfortable memory foam padding helps absorb sound waves to improve overall sound. Versatile : Logitech G435 is the first headset with light-speed wireless and low latency, Bluetooth connectivity, providing more freedom of play on PC, smartphones, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch gaming devices. With a lightweight construction, this wireless gaming headset weighs only 5.8 ounces, making it comfortable to wear all day long. Specially shaped by in-house ergonomics, the ergonomic seat cushion is scientifically contoured to cradle your thighs and hip and help you sit upright up on any chair. Add instant comfort to any chair, soft hip and thigh cushioning. Turn any chair into your personal throne. No more back pains or legs falling asleep. Improve posture all day. Sitting comfort. Ergonomic contours encourages proper posture and a straight spine, redistributing your lower body weight for comfort even during long hours of sitting. Enjoy multiple preset massage modes, heat function, and adjustable air compression intensity. You can select or customize according to your personal preference. It is thoroughly constructed to target the foot reflex zones and massage points to improve your foot wellness. Enjoy multiple preset massage modes, heat function, and adjustable air compression intensity. You can select or customize it according to your personal preference. The MacBook Cleaning Kit computer screen cleaner comes with a number of accessories including a retractable large brush, polishing cleaning cloth X2, keycap puller, metal pen tip, flocking sponge, thin soft brush, soft plastic lens cleaning pen, 5 replacing cloth, large cleaning microfiber cloth. You deserve the comprehensive computer cleaning kit keyboard vacuum at a low cost. The laptop screen cleaner keyboard cleaner can pull out the keycaps of gaming keyboards and mechanical keyboards. A retractable keyboard brush works on laptops and keyboards, while the mini high-density brush is great for deep cleaning between keys for cleaning between flatter keys on a laptop. The metal pin tip gently removes any stains. This electronic cleaning kit MacBook cleaner totally meets professional cleaning needs. Rotatable double lamp head design, adjustable to more angles. This monitor lamp is also equipped with a wireless remote control, allowing you to control the light more portably. It is ideal for large monitors or dual monitors in architect desks, etc., allowing you to have a good lighting environment when working, studying, drawing, etc. Our LED desk lamp adopts an asymmetrical optical design, eliminating screen reflections, no blue light, no glare, and a soft light source to protect your eyes from fatigue. The memory function remembers your last settings. No reset is required. It also has a timer function for effortless use. This has a 7.5mm perfect cable slot diameter. Diameter of 0.3 inches, 7.5 millimeters, can hold most cables, such as phone charging cables, USB cords, HDMI thick cables, computer power cords, etc. Besides that, the slot diameter of 7.5 millimeters can perfectly hold a charging head as small as the iPhone original silicone charging cable without falling off, and the held cable can be pulled out smoothly for use magnetic clamp design. The unique magnetic opening and closing cable clip design allows you to place and remove cables with only one hand. Unlike other cord holders on the market, the Joy Room cable organizer uses a sophisticated 60-degree rotating shaft and magnetic locking cord design, helping you easily snatch a cord off or easily add a cord on. A great gadget. Switch to battery power with 2 AOA batteries, not included, so you can use the mini vacuum anywhere. Batteries will last 90 minutes. Cordless convenience helps you get rid of the annoying cord, and you don't need to plug and change plug frequently. With 360-degree rotatable design, our vacuum cleaner is an ergonomic and useful solution for your cleaning needs. You can easily reach to any corners and crevices when cleaning the space between large, hard-to-move objects. Work smarter, not harder. Forget keyboard shortcuts. Stream Deck Mini lets you assign tedious, hard-to-memorize shortcuts to a single key. Instantly identify and activate them without error. Compatible with your apps. Seamlessly integrate with essential software, including Zoom, Teams, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Google Suite, MS Office, Photoshop, Adobe Creative Apps, Spotify, music, and many more. Customizable LCD keys instantly activate commands and functions with a single tap. Easy setup, user-friendly software. Drag actions onto keys, then personalize settings with ease. Ideal for home organization, storage box, spice, food container, personal daycare, device identification, controller, switch, cable wire, or school and office supplies. The app requires no fees or registration, no ink or toner needed. Rechargeable battery lasts a full month on a single charge. Create labels quickly and easily.